Think you know everything about CarPlay? Think again. Today, I'm uncovering 6 hidden gems that'll elevate your driving experience to the next level. First up, split screen mode. Yes, you heard that right. Multitask like a pro by running 2 apps side by side. Check your messages while navigating seamlessly. Next, customizing your app layout. Drag and drop your favorite apps into the order that suits you best. Efficiency at its finest, right? Third, Siri shortcuts. Take control using hands-free commands. Say, "Hey Siri, play my road trip playlist and let the good times roll." Moving on to advanced navigation. Did you know you can use third-party apps like Waze or Google Maps on CarPlay? Get real-time traffic updates and never miss a turn again. Number 5, the audio equalizer settings. Fine-tune your sound for the perfect listening experience. Whether you're into bass-heavy beats or crisp vocals, CarPlay's got you covered. Last but not least, the Do Not Disturb While Driving feature. Keep distractions at bay and stay focused on the road. Safety first, always. So which of these features will you try first? Let me know in the comments below and drive smarter today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car tech tips. See you next time.